All right, we have to go out and turn on the pump and try and fill up some of the other ponds again to try and get it back up to level. If you'd like to stick with us for today and look at some great views, stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Well, thank you all for sticking with us today. I hope you enjoyed a lot of the beautiful pictures and video that we were able to capture. And I appreciate it. I'm going to try and do a little bit more of that and kind of show you, this isn't just a desert, that there's a lot more stuff out there. I also wanted to do something a little different today for two reasons. Number one, all my fragrance friends out there, many of you guys know we also do fragrances, love fragrances. I've wore the same fragrance since like the mid 80s till just a few years ago when I fell down the FragCom rabbit hole and started collecting ungodly amounts of fragrances, started reviewing them, have a blast with that, and I still do. But today is my anniversary, so I wanted to wish my wife a happy anniversary. We're going to be going out to dinner and hopefully enjoy that. So for my scent of the day, the one that she loves on me the most is Javon Musk for Men. So this is my scent of the day. It's a very nice, like lemon limey-ish, amber, musky fragrance. It's got a touch of carnation in it, and it's just beautiful. It's a really good fragrance. I really enjoy wearing it. This is very overlooked because it's in the cheapy bin. You can get it very, very inexpensive. I'll leave a link to show you down in the description, as well as other stuff that we use or that you may see in the videos. But it's a great, great fragrance. I just wanted to let everyone know, yes, I'm still into fragrances, but we're still doing the ranch work. That just takes up the majority of the time. So thank you once again. And I'm always leaving little videos after each of the videos. So I'm going to show you another one about our quail. So thank y'all, and we'll catch you on the next one. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it or not. See if it'll focus. It's a little too far out. But that's my first quail that found the block. Every other bird around here, a bunch of the dove have found it.